Hey guys, it's Zach from MNIT Guys. I'm here to do a recap on some of the stuff when you're working in the environment of a new project. So, first of all, let's make a new project. So let's hit that plus button there. We're going to hit New Project. Once we hit New Project, we're brought into our environment where we'll be working. So there's a lot of different buttons in here, not too much. We'll start from the top right. On the top right, you see this little gear, okay? So this gear is going to give us some different options, project settings, etc. There's a couple different themes in here that you can play with, and again, you don't have to decide on a theme right away. You can always change it to a different theme. They'll give you options for different transitions, which we'll talk about later. You can toggle theme music on and off here. You can loop background music here as well, and fade in from black or fade out to black. All right. And the next button to the immediate left of it is the undo and redo button. This can be really handy if you split a clip and you didn't get a chance to figure out what it was, or you didn't want that transition there. So, moving to the left, we have the help button. Alright, the help button, toggling that back on and off, will show you all the little buttons and a little more information about that. So you can see audio waveforms, record audio, record video, tap to undo, hold to redo, changing theme, what we talked about in the gear, and more help on the bottom left. So let's toggle that off. Alright, to the left of that is a button that'll bring us back to the main menu. Right there. See? Brought us back to the main menu. So we're just going to click on our project there to bring us back here. Alright, now, the bread and butter of the whole situation here is these three buttons right here that I'm toggling between right now. This one is a record of all the video clips that you have available to you. Okay? The middle one is photos from your library and your camera roll. And the right one is your music and pre-built in theme music that they have, sound effects that are pre-put in there for you by iMovie itself. So you can play with those, see what kind of sounds you may or may not like. So those are some things you'll look into and will be using quite frequently. This button right here, toggling that on and off will show audio waveforms. We'll get more into that detail so you can kind of see the volume of certain clips as compared to a narration you may add later. The button that's grayed out right here, the play button, that's just playback so you can kind of sample what's going on in your project. The right button right here is, like we said earlier, to add a narration so you can record yourself adding or saying something about the situation or explaining to some of the children that this is what you're doing or proper behavior or what they're supposed to be doing, or you can use that for whatever you'd like. And then the right one will toggle into the camera so you can take some more video footage if you'd like, or some camera footage. So again, this was just a quick recap on the environment you'll be working in. Alright, thanks for watching.